Hi, and thanks for visiting on this video. On this channel you can learn more about specific product before you buy, so don't forget about this channel and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. Definitely in the future I will show you more videos about everything what you want to buy. And today on this video I want to upgrade with you my old Airpods, the first generation, to the third generation, brand new, just released right now. I wanna unbox with you and we're gonna review it together. If you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. When I watch an Apple event about third generation, sounds everything wonderful. It's like the best sounds and the best third generation, offering amazing future and amazing very low, cheaper price. If this all it's true or is just marketing Apple trick for us, we're gonna check this today, just now. I have here for you the new third generation. I haven't opened yet because I always leave it this to record this video for my subscribers that we're experiencing this together, which is sometimes very important for us to see that I am really have brand new products to review it, not second hand. Okay, so I remove it just with you the sealed. I remove it originally, okay, and I'm gonna open it. Just gonna be quick unboxing because we know, of course, everyone what is in the box. Gonna be informations, manuals, and this is what you're looking for. Now we're gonna together, like I promised you, unbox. On this video you can see third generation Apple with case. It looks really amazing. It's so glossy. Regarding the size, it's really the same like the first generation. I will show you this on the image. You can compare that the size is almost the same. It's not much bigger. It's just changed the shape. That the previous one it was like this, but the newest is really longer. So just change the shape. The size, like I showing to you, it's almost the same, which is totally good because you don't need to be worried that will be bigger in your pockets. On the box side, Airpods with MagSafe charging case. What about charger? This box is including any charger or I need to buy separately? And here I need to surprise you because in the box we can find nothing. Seriously? No, just kidding. The Infinity provide just cable that we can charge new third generation. At least we have something we can charge with the cable. But if you want a MagSafe, we must to buy separately, of course, like always Apple do for us. Yes, this is the best part on this video because now I'm gonna just set up to my phone. I open, I can see the on the screen connect, and they say press 1 on the Airpod control. They given to us with 75% of battery, so that's cool. It's done, guys. Quicker you pair this one than the previous version. About design, if I can say something, it's like smaller and lighter. Yes, it's smaller and lighter. I worry just about the lighter because I worry that I will lose it. But wow, it's really good to, you know, suit to your ears. I know everyone have different shape, but mine is the most horrible ones. Or Airpods is going out, but the upper one, it stick perfectly, guys. And I already I put first one, I hear the signal that is paired. Let me play just song. Okay guys, I'm on my channel now, so wow, it sounds really good guys. The bass is top than before. It's really sounds better than previous versions. What I can hear, the sounds is like more going to you. It's like sending to you. The previous version which I experienced, there has like you listen from them. You listen on the side, good effects, but this is like it's going really to you. With every details. I listen my demo version of mine. The WH channel, so there is a lot of bass, and the bass here I can see that is really satisfied. Okay, so once again, sounds great. What about if I will open something and I want to stop? Hi. I don't know. It's no more touch. Yes, that's true. On the third generation, this tab is not working anymore. But don't worry, I find out that when you play music and you want to pause it, you need to touch little down and you will feel like click. Okay? So basically what you're doing, you're just touching here on the sides, on your sides, and you just put like that. And you will hear that click, 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 which means that they're pause and play, okay? Yeah, but what I wanted to tell you about this change, that you have just more down and you just must to hold with 2 fingers and press it. It's the little difficulty because when I'm press it, I'm remove it from my ear, okay? The push is even better because I push more. In the previous version, in the new version, what we need to do, we need to just down click it, which is for me 50-50, okay? It's not the best option which they can do, but they did the change, so I will experience more a couple of months and tell you that this is better or worse. And my experience with this one today, it's very cool because I can really feel that it stick good to my ear, not gonna be lost. I'm not missing any one of this, which is good because it's a little bit pricey. And also the sound, which we focus on the most when you're gonna buy earpods, it's really great. When I listen music, it's the bass, very great. And what I wanted to tell you, this sounds going straight to your head. It's something which you can experience with this upper third generation ones. And of course, I'm not gonna forget, I know someone will commented that I forgot about the most extra feature which they provide to us. As you can see, I have here the MagSafe, so back, and it's charging, guys. Okay, you can just use your MagSafe to charging without any problem. Oh yeah, it's charging without problem your charger case, so you don't need to put cable anymore here. I think so in the future Apple will remove totally the port and will be just everything charging wireless, but for now we have like even better, we have both options. We know have the pressure right now, yes, to buy the MagSafe charger. I got one, so I'm happy because I know that the MagSafe charger is extra feature there. I will put to MagSafe will charge me very quickly. And what I like about my preference, Apple, I'm gonna tell you, did very great job and create third generation much better. The sounds definitely they work on it and you're gonna be satisfied. Don't forget to comment below, ask me about everything before you buy. I'm gonna to tell you, I'm gonna to help you. And if you don't yet subscribe this channel, I promise you that it's worth it to just click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. This channel always will help you to find out about products and about price and about discounts and everything what you need and we need all, that will purchase the right time and the right item. Thank you very much for today. I'm just wanna tell you right now, and definitely I'm gonna see with you next week if you of course subscribe me. If you want, you can just wait for a while. I always recommend you the best videos of mine. If you don't have more time for today, don't worry, just come back next week and watch my another video. My phone is just fell down, sorry for that. Thank you very much for watching me. I'm gonna enjoy now my new 3rd generation Apple ones, and comment me if you buy yours ones. Thank you very much and see you in next video next week.